Vanguard, one of the world's largest asset managers, has reversed its long-standing anti-crypto stance in an effort to retain customers as competitors continue gaining market share. The firm, which oversees $9.3 trillion in assets, is now opening its investment platform to allow trading of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs for years. Vanguard refused to offer any crypto-related products, even after regulators approved spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. That position led many investors, especially younger, tech-savvy clients, to move their money to rivals like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. All three have seen strong inflows into their crypto ETF products. According to industry analysts, Vanguard's leadership faced growing pressure as client complaints increased and account transfers accelerated. Some financial advisors even reported that long-term Vanguard customers were opening secondary accounts elsewhere solely to buy Bitcoin ETFs. The company realized it risked losing a generation of investors if it continued to block access. In response, Vanguard has decided to allow crypto ETF trading on its brokerage platform, marking one of the biggest policy pivots in its history. However, executives emphasize that this shift does not mean the firm is embracing crypto as an asset class. Vanguard still does not plan to create or manage its own Bitcoin or Ethereum funds, and it maintains that digital assets remain speculative. Even so, the move is seen as a significant milestone for mainstream adoption. With Vanguard's enormous client base gaining access to Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, analysts expect a new wave of inflows across the broader crypto market. Some experts say this may trigger additional demand from retirement accounts, given Vanguard's dominance in 401k and long-term investment portfolios. Competitors are already reacting. BlackRock and Fidelity, which have led the market with billions in Bitcoin ETF inflows, now face a more level playing field as Vanguard's clients enter the space. Advisors say the biggest impact may be psychological. Vanguard's reversal signals that crypto exposure is becoming a normal part of diversified portfolios. Overall, the shift marks a major turning point. A company famous for its conservative, long-term investing philosophy has now opened the doors to digital assets primarily to stay competitive and stop investor outflows, signaling how deeply crypto has become integrated into global finance.